Alright, I installed full self-driving 12.3. I've already driven a little bit. It was snowing harder earlier. Still snowing. I don't know if it's... I mean, everybody's raving about it, so I don't know if it's just worse in the snow or what, but I don't know. I've only gone a little ways, but it's kind of made me nervous a few times. But we'll try it again. Well, I don't know what that's all about. Bad start. One thing I don't like is it doesn't let me have the double tap as an option anymore. It's just, you have to do a single tap, which was a new option a few months ago, which I didn't choose because I like having the option for adaptive cruise control, traffic aware cruise control, and now I don't have that. I have to do full self-driving or nothing, so I don't like that. Where it gets me nervous is it gets really close to the curbs. I don't know if it's just the way it's handling it in the snow or what, but sometimes it really feels like it's almost going to hit them. And with the auto speed, I guess it's going slow because of the snow. It seems to be a little too slow. But even when I had that option turned off, so I could adjust it, so it would not go the speed that I actually set for it, it would still go really slow. Which, I mean, I'd rather it go slow on the snow than fast, but, you know, seems a little extreme. Oh, I didn't even put a destination. Navigate to Quick Trip. Here, going left earlier, let's see if it does it yet. It was super slow. It got kind of hung up in the middle of the road. That did okay. So now it's going way over the speed limit, even though it's snowing. So I don't get its thinking on that one. Now it's back down to the speed limit, so it's more acceptable. But it just really kind of kicked it down there for being in a snowy situation. Yeah, I don't have a proper camera set up, so this isn't the best option to show you too much. You can kind of feel, hopefully. I don't know. I just have a suction cup phone mount from the glass roof, holding the phone front ways from the camera. So I don't know how much you can actually tell if it's doing well or not, but worth a shot. See, I think it gets way too close to these curbs, but I mean, if it doesn't hit them, I guess maybe that's fine, but it makes me a little nervous. Whoa. Yeah. So any slipping, I don't remember that ever being the case with the previous version on ice or snow. I don't know. It did a lot of things that made me nervous on snow, but I don't remember it just completely stopping. I mean, when it was really bad, I wouldn't even try it. Maybe I shouldn't, but take over if there's any issue. But yeah, I've been in blizzards before. I didn't even attempt to use self-driving. I'm glad that I can. Oh yeah, anytime it slips, it just cancels. I was gonna say, I'm glad that I can still satisfy the neg with the wheel. I guess there was another version that was not released to everybody, where you had to nudge it, which I think is not good. It just puts you at high risk of deactivating when you don't need to. I should get rid of the neg entirely and just have the camera. That's it. But whatever. Yeah, I don't remember if it would do the steering wheel of death on the previous version with snow. I probably didn't really try it as much. But I wanted to try it today since I got the update. Even though I think this is maybe a little too slow, 20 miles per hour in a 30 zone with moderate snow, I guess I prefer it over the previous one, because the previous one it would not even slow down at all, so, which was really bad if you were like turning it on. I mean, you could always turn it back down, but if you'd like turn it on and it was just all of a sudden accelerate up to like 60 miles per hour. I mean, you could change it with the Tesla accelerates so quickly that just those couple seconds of acceleration can get you slipping. And that was a factor with just oh man, I don't even know what set it off that time. But yeah, that was a factor with just the traffic aware cruise control too, because that would also make you zoom forward. So even if you didn't want to trust this full self-driving in snowy weather, it would be a problem even for that. Which I guess technically you're not supposed to use that either anyways, but sometimes it seems safe other than the fact that it would just take off to the speed limit or higher than the speed limit. Yeah, 21 and 45. It's not that bad weather. I don't know. It might be a little overkill. time it slides, it turns off. Which I don't even know if there's any grace period on there. Like, what if I'm in a curve and it does that? Is it gonna crash the car because there's no more self-driving and I don't have enough time to grab the wheel? Alright, well, I don't get a test to see if it parks. I'll have to do that again when it's not snowing. Yeah, sorry about the bad video. I don't have it set up, but hopefully you saw enough.